Good day. My name is Carlo Navarro, and this is my oral presentation in Inquiries and Investigation. Let's get started. In a study entitled The Effects of Academic Stress on the Academic Performance, let's move on to the rationale. The study aimed to determine the effects of academic stress on the academic performance of grades 9 and 10 students of SPCB. Main problem. What is the effects of academic stress on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students of SPCB? Specifically, the researchers sought the answers to the following question. First, what is the profile of the respondent students in terms of academic stress and academic performance? Second, which academic stress they experience the most and the least? Third, how are grade 9 and 10 students compared in terms of academic stress? Fourth, is there a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under use stress and distress? Fifth and the last question, is there a significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress? For the main problem, what is the effects of academic stress on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students? To find the findings and conclusion, we use table number 3, 4, 6, and 7. For the findings, the computed t-statistics resulted to negative 0.19. The critical value resulted to 2.26. The t-statistics is less than the critical value. Therefore, for the conclusion, the academic stress has no effect to the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students of SPCB. Statistical tool used was inferential t-test. For problem 1, what is the profile of the respondents, students in terms of academic stress and academic performance? To find the findings and conclusion, we use table 2 and 5. For the findings, this table shows that the respondents that are under use stress are consist of 42% very satisfactory, 34% for satisfactory, 14% for outstanding, 10% for fairly satisfactory, and 0% didn't meet expectation, while the respondents that are under distress are consist of the same percentage of 43% satisfactory and very satisfactory, 8% for outstanding, 6% for fairly satisfactory, 0% didn't meet expectation. To the total population of respondents is 162. For problem number 2, which academic stress are experienced the most and the least? For this problem, we use table 1 to solve the findings and conclusion. For the findings, the table shows that the respondents from grade 9 that are experiencing academic stress are 59% eustressed and 41% for distress, while respondents from grade 10 that are experiencing academic stress are 76% for eustressed and 24% for distressed. For the conclusion, the data shows that the eustressed is the most experienced academic stress, while distressed is being the least experienced from the student. For the problem number 3, how are grade 9 and 10 students compared in terms of academic stress? For this problem, we use table 1 to solve the findings and conclusion. For findings, the table shows that the grade 9 and 10 students is compared by the academic stress that they are experiencing. 43% of the respondents that are experiencing eustress are from grade 9, while 57% are from the grade 10. 62% respondents that are experiencing distress are from the grade 9, and 38% are from the grade 10. For the conclusion, the grade 9 and 10 students is compared by the academic stress that they are experiencing which are eustressed and distressed. For problem number 4, is there a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under eustressed? Given hypothesis, the null is there is no difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under eustressed. For the alternative, there is a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under eustressed. To find the findings and conclusion, we use table 3 and 6. For the findings, the t-value calculated 0.316462 is less than the critical value of 1.9822. For the conclusion, accept the null. The null is there is no significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under eustressed. Statistical tool used is inferential statistics t-test. For the distressed problem, is there a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under distressed? For the null, there is no significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under distressed. For the alternative, there is a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under distressed. To find the findings and conclusion, use table 4 and 7. For the findings, the t-value calculated 0.091976 is less than the critical value of 2.0066. For conclusion, accept the null. There is significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under distressed. For a statistical tool used is inferential statistics, the t-test. Lastly, problem number 5. Is there a significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress? Given hypothesis, null is there is no significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress. For the alternative, there is a significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress. For this problem, we use table 2 and 5 to solve the findings and conclusion. For the findings, the t-value calculated 0.040801 is less than the critical value of 1.9747. Conclusion, accept the null. There is no significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress. The statistical tool used is inferential statistic, the t-test. Again, this is Carlo. Thank you and God bless.